So question, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is the greatest female sprinter of all time. Any further questions? I remember when Shelly won her 400 meters world title in Qatar in 2019 and celebrated after the race with her son in hand. And some of us said then, yes, Shelly must now be the GOAT. But some experts were still clinging on to Merlin Ottey because she is a pioneer and the people who beat her were suspicious and blah, blah, blah. That was foolishness then, and it is even bigger foolishness now that Shelly, with her virtuoso performance over the weekend, is the fastest woman alive, the second fastest woman ever, the two-time Olympic champion and counting, four-time world champion. And we're just talking about her 100 meters. We don't count her 200 and relay accolades yet. Yes. So with all due respect to who came before, from Ottey to VCB, and all who will come after, I put it to you that all things considered, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's body of work, her consistent big championship performances and accolades, and now her raw, unadulterated speed consolidates her status as the greatest female sprinter of all time. Yes. She's the greatest of all time. Let me put that next to you. She's the greatest female sprinter ever. All time, ever. Pick a choice. All time or ever. Pick a choice.